आप सभी का आपका दोस्त और होस्ट सुनील शर्मा स्वागत करता है, अभिनंदन करता है आप सभी का इस नॉलेज शेयरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म में। दोस्तों, आज महासेवा और एमएनएस मीडिया न्यूज सर्विस की तरफ से मैं सभी पार्टिसिपेट जो वेबएक्स पे है उनका स्वागत करता हूं। साथ ही आपका आज का विषय मैं बता दूं कि आज का हमारा विषय है, पहला विषय है हमारा दोस्तों, इनोवेटिव कोविड सॉल्यूशन फॉर द सोसाइटी एंड पब्लिक शुड कोविड स्ट्राइक बी प्रिपेयर्ड। इस सब्जेक्ट के जानकार हैं, एक्सपर्ट हैं, तमाम इस विषय को बताएंगे डीप तक। हमारे कीनोट स्पीकर हैं डॉक्टर अंशुमन मनस्वी। ये बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल है उसमें सर्विस देते हैं, अपना कंसल्टिंग देते हैं, तो वो हमारे साथ मौजूद है, उनका मैं स्वागत करता हूं। साथ ही हमारा दूसरा विषय दोस्तों, सब्जेक्ट है कारपोरेट लॉ मेजर्स टू बूस्ट फॉर द ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस। ये भी बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण विषय आज का, और इस विषय के जानकार और हमारे आज के कीनोट स्पीकर हैं CS अनुराग गंगोडे साहब हैं, इंदौर मध्य प्रदेश MP से जुड़े हुए हैं अनुराग जी, तो उनका भी मैं स्वागत करता हूं। और इसी विषय को सपोर्ट करने के लिए मॉडरेटर है CS निखिलेश जोशी, जो एडवाइजर है महासेवा के, उनका भी स्वागत करता हूं। शुड कोविड स्ट्राइक बी प्रिपेयर्ड, ये बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण विषय है आज के समय में दोस्तों, और इस विषय को आपको हम जानकारी देंगे। हमारे कीनोट स्पीकर और एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर हमारे साथ जुड़े, डॉक्टर अंशुमन मनस्वी। इनके बारे में काफी सारी इनके पास डिग्रियां, MBBS, MS, DNB, MChess, कंसल्टिंग प्लास्टिक सर्जरी, कॉस्मेटिक सर्जन है, और ये प्रतिष्ठित जो मुंबई के हॉस्पिटल है दोस्तों, बॉम्बे हॉस्पिटल, नानावटी हॉस्पिटल, ट्रिटी हॉस्पिटल, और ये लॉ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वन प्लास्टिक सर्जरी जो सेंटर है विले पार्ले में, वहाँ काफी से और काफी तमाम सेवाएं देते हैं। तो कि काफी सोशल थिंकर है ये, और अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, काफी सारी अच्छी हॉबी से, राइटिंग की इनकी हॉबी है। अंशुमन जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज के इस वेबिनार में, नॉलेज शेयरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म में दोस्तों। कि दोनों बड़ा अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, और एक इंदौर से एक मुंबई से है हमारे साथ दोनों। तो दोनों हमारे जो कीनोट स्पीकर है उनके लिए लाइन है स्वागत के लिए कि पसीने की स्याही से लिखे पन्ने कभी कोरे नहीं होते। गौर कीजिएगा, पसीने की स्याही से लिखे पन्ने कभी कोरे नहीं होते, और जो करते हैं मेहनत उनके सपने कभी अधूरे नहीं होते। फिर से एक बार, पसीने की स्याही से लिखे पन्ने कभी कोरे नहीं होते, और जो करते हैं मेहनत उनके सपने कभी अधूरे नहीं होते। मैं हमारे आज के जो कीनोट स्पीकर है पहले डॉक्टर अंशुमन को मैं इनवाइट करता हूं, और स्वागत करता हूं महासेवा की तरफ से और MNS मीडिया न्यूज सर्विस की तरफ से।
जो मेरा टॉपिक है आज का, शुड कोविड स्ट्राइक बी प्रिपेयर्ड, और उसपे नीचे एक लाइन है कि स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर अनलॉकडाउन। अभी कोविड का हमारे ऑलमोस्ट 3 to 4 months हो गए हैं, और समय हो रहा है कि गवर्नमेंट, अभी इकोनॉमिकली हम लोग सफर कर रहे हैं, और ये मजबूरी भी है गवर्नमेंट की। हमें अपनी सेफ्टी का खुद ख्याल रखना है। भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो, उन्होंने अपना काम किया, हमें बताया, डॉक्टर्स ने बताया, सोशल इंस्टीट्यूशंस ने बताया, मीडिया ने बताया कि हाउ वी कैन कीप आवरसेल्व्स सेफ, बट नाउ इट इज अप टू अस टू कीप आवरसेल्व्स सेफ। The second important point which I want to, unlockdown means it is an economic unlockdown. Corona has not gone. In fact, Corona cases are going to increase with more and more coming out, because as of now only 20% of the people are on roads or going for their work. Almost 80% of the people are inside their house. And the moment they come out with opening of local trains, best buses, and other modes of transport, even public spaces, things are going to be a little more difficult for quite some time. So in that condition, we have to keep ourselves very alert and take whatever precautions are important. So I am Dr. Anshuman Manaswi, and thank you, Sudhil ji, for giving a good introduction. One day I will share with you my poems today. मैं हिंदी में लिखता हूँ. Let us start with knowing what is the infectivity potential of COVID. Now, COVID is very effective new virus which does not have any effective cure. We all know that. One everyone through droplet and air spread होता था. अब आई है एक रिसर्च 2-4 दिनों पहले कि it can spread even through air. New dimension to the whole problem. And cases are rising and likely to rise with unlocked opening of public spaces. As I said, only 20% of the population of the city is out of home right now, and more are yet to come out. And as per the research, to 50% of the population needs to be infected or has to have exposure to COVID before the herd immunity आपको होने की चांस कोविड के नहीं के बराबर होते हैं. बहुत लोग होते हैं और आप में भी एक इम्यूनिटी डेवलप कर जाती है. Or the other way is that a vaccine develops or cure may come. And I'm hopeful given the will come out with an effective vaccine and cure. And although I'm an allopathic doctor, but I still feel that Coronil, which is Baba Ramdev's product, if it is tested well in various organizations, we will come to know that it may turn out to be something really magical. I have hope that it should not be given a summary trial, neither should a hype be created. We should objectively know what is going to happening. The human race will find a solution. As we all know, over the last 4 months that we have to protect by keeping our personal hygiene, washing hands, sanitization, social distancing. One important point we have to touch today is now we have to be very, very particular as we use the mask. If Corona has come, it has to come from over here. So whenever you are wearing a mask, make sure that you do not touch. तो मेरा बहुत सस्ता अच्छा मास्क और दिन में कम से कम साथ में या 3 मास्क लेके जाए. और ये उसका रबर बैंड है, पहनने का तरीका है, बहुत सारे वीडियोस हैं उस पे कि आप कैसे उसको पहन सकते हैं. सामने का सरफेस नहीं टच करना है और कभी भी आ चुके हैं तो वो मास्क को निकाल दे, एक थैले में रखे, कागज का थैला हो, उसमें वो फोल्ड करके रख ले और बाद में उसको वॉश कर ले. या अगर वॉश नहीं कर सकते हैं तो 2 दिन के लिए उसको सूखने के लिए छोड़ दे. लीव इट टू ड्राई and in 2 days time the germs will go. You can use it again. So that is one important factor which I want to tell. Don't wear one mask, keep it coming out wherever you want. You are giving more risks to yourself if you are doing that. So my request, carry 2-3 and be on the outside of the mask. And if you touch, send your close relatives because you don't know. 2 days back I had a whole from 80 years old to 7-year-old girl.
अंशुमन जी एक डिस्टर्ब आ रहा है. विजय कस्तूरी जी अपना ऑडियो. यस थैंक यू. सभी पार्टिसिपेट अपना ऑडियो ऑफ रखें. यस सर, गो अहेड सर.
Keep your positive attitude, do meditation, be in a positive frame of mind, and do some lung exercises, pranayama, breathing exercises. What are the innovative solutions which we have? This is for public and for the societies. Here I want to give a small disclosure that I am a company. So this is a disclosure which I want to make a public platform. But nonetheless, last 4 months we have been doing a lot of good work in the COVID services in collaboration with a health platform called Namaste Health. And this covidservices.in is a 360-degree solution with bed availability, software for to give live bed availability. People are in need of bed where they are not able to get bed. Obviously, the situation has improved a little bit now. Organization has been involved in social service of trying and making beds available by speaking to different hospitals. Other COVID solutions like screening and all that, about which I will tell. This is my brief biography. Now, this solution, COVID diagnosis, we have some home quarantine packages, and in contrast to many other, keep an emergency kit of drugs, monitors. They are very, very costly, and keep it along with oxygen cylinder so that any patient who deteriorates and who is unable to get, you create a transit facility. And if you have a doctor in your society, they can help you. If you not have, then COVID services can help you in getting the nurse or the doctor on board. So COVID patients' breathlessness can deteriorate very fast. Within a matter of 1 2 hours, the breathlessness can increase and the oxygen saturations may just fall. It is called happy hypoxia. You do not know that you are troubled because you are able to well, but when you are stressed, you feel breathlessness, and that is where the severity of the infection starts, and suddenly there is a dip in the oxygen levels of the blood. Beds are scarcity, and choice of hospital and bed is a dream. So don't fall ill. Please do not fall ill. And if you fall ill, let it have. So we provide basic infrastructure, including oxygen. We have a backup of health professional support who will help you in distress and panic. Now, today with telemedicine and teleconsultations happening, if you have even a layman over there, we can teach you how to put the mask and all that over video. So it is so easy nowadays, but you should have all those infrastructure with you. So we are trying to propagate that, and don't were not able to get oxygen because there was hoarding. And rich people used to get, each and every flat used to have oxygen with them. But that is not necessary. Some infrastructure for your society, it's if you have, that is good, because not everybody will become ill at the same time. Saving drugs, PPE kits, infrastructure, pre-filled oxygen cylinders to be kept in advance in the society with a backup of teleconsultation and nurses and doctors for visit if required. If I may take the opportunity, is a discounted price. The emergency drugs, including PPE, is for only 3,000 rupees, pre-filled oxygen cylinder, and for 3,000 rupees per month at only rental of 100 rupees a day. Total comes to only around 7,000, and with a refundable deposit, which you have to give. And I think it is not a very big investment for a society. Whether you buy it from anywhere, but keep it, because including glucose, including saline, including the IV line, they can be given at home by a medical professional very, very easily. So keep that emergency drug like puffs when you become breathless, they may help. So we have that kit. What I can say, it has been admired a lot because just with the concept, because till now everybody used to go, okay, oxygen, but what will oxygen do if you are dehydrated, if your BP is falling? So you have to have certain injections to be given at the time to save lives and things like that. So this is one very, very important, very, very nice innovative solution which we have. What we suggest is that when there is a doctors to the home, and then we can help people to get beds and ambulances so that they reach the proper destination in case they are becoming serious. So this is an emergency management kind of a system which we are trying to create in the society, so that people don't die on the way or in the society looking for bed. And that situation may come tomorrow because of, again, suddenly rising. So should COVID strike, be prepared. That was the theme. The second thing is solution is COVID screening. Now, a lot of us have already got infected. And the official figure is around 1 lakh or 1,10,000 or whatever. You can safely imagine 4 to 5 times in society. And that way it is good that many of us have got infected, recovered without even knowing that we are COVID. So if we know our status now, and if we know we have had COVID before, that means we can be easy, because reinfection rate is not so much and is still debatable. Bodies which will protect you. But if you are negative, then in that case, you have to take precautions. So get yourself tested for antibodies. This is a rapid test. You get the result in around half an hour, 5 minutes. And in that case, you can definitely be sure If you are positive, then you can breathe, your family can breathe easy, and you can relax. But if not, you have to take precaution. And then from that, we have come up with another very, very innovative solution. That is, we can clinical members with what is called as digital auscultation. Now, suppose आप वहां पे बैठे हुए हो और मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. Now, even if I see you, I can see you that you are breathless or you are not breathless. But I cannot do जो स्टेथोस्कोप लगाकर वो जो डॉक्टर चेक करते थे वो हम लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं टेलीविजन में. For that we have a solution where we do digital options so that we know your lung conditions. Consultation, we can tell whether you have any problem right now or are you susceptible right now. Some people may not be knowing that they are they may be silent carriers, but still they may not maybe have problems in their lungs. We can help you in that to get there at the time. So these some things are exciting, like digital auscultation. So we are provide you that along with COVID booklet, guidance booklet, including diet and COVID counseling videos. So all that has been on the request of the organizations. We have tried to get a very good package from the diagnostic end, from the diagnostic suppliers and all that, so that you don't have to, everybody doesn't have to travel to different places, and it can be done at a single point. Almost sufficient for most of the people. Consultation with the doctors, 3 video consultations with the nurses over 14 days time, you in getting a bed if you become serious and all that. So this is the free in your society for all the people who are COVID positive. You don't have to spend any single penny on that. And this is the initiative of Namaste Health. It also where you have more nurses connect, you have some more special features, and there's relaxed at home package for all those who want to be absolutely relaxed, worry free. But all these are not unless and until you want to go to a take a high-end service. But if you want to save money, you can go for that free package. You know, if there are hotel resorts, you want to, everybody has got a different choices. You can you can get very well. There are obviously some finer points which are much more helpful over here. Like you have a personal coordinator in case you have a problem, personal assistant. You get so many other things as a product in this, so you can choose on that. 2 minutes on that, and before I end and take questions, the patient to his doctors, hospitals, affiliated services, and diagnostics. Location, it reaches the location of the patient and the location of the doctor, and instantaneously based on the symptom connects you possible specialist. If you have a chest pain, you will be connected to a cardiologist, and you will be given choices that there are 5 cardiologists in your location who are available right now to see you, and these are the qualifications, this is the experience, this is the attachment of the doctor's affiliation of the hospital, and this is the experience, and this is the fees. So much of transparency this application gives. So doctor consult is there, then hospital you can search, including Ayushman Bharat hospitals, this diagnostic services, ambulance, etc.